So what sizes do you start and go up to?
We go from, it's our extra small is like maybe a size 6 to 8, and then we go to size 24. But we have, for our fits, we have mannequins that are actually based on an Irish size 12 to 14.
Oh, that's interesting.
So it's not like your Zara or European, because our body shape is different. We're not as tall as Northern Europeans. We're slightly smaller, but our body shape here in Ireland, there is a standard size and a real size, a normal size. Not
we're wider, aren't we?
No, we're curvier.
Curvier. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay,
really,
good to know.
In all the right places.
Really?
Yeah, genuinely.
See, that's the sort of thing you'd want to get into, to kind of go, right, genetically, this is how things are across, because there are different. We're not all the same.
No.
That's something, because we make ourselves feel so bad.
And we shouldn't. It's the worst. We should not. Like, look at our bodies. Look at what they do. They're amazing. They're incredible.